sixth part regarding community health nursing syllabus in fourth paper for GNM first year students. In this we are going to discuss the health assessment of an old age people. Okay, in this the assessment like past medical history, in this the serious accidents or undergone in previous days of an individuals that will be assessed, and any allergic or any health problems like this in childhood stage. Actually we are going to assess old age people. Okay, their life span, they are in childhood stage, any suffering of diphtheria diseases or mumps diseases, or sometimes tuberculosis diseases, or sometimes jaundice. Okay, in past medical history means medical related problems. Okay, the diseases are affected by the individuals in their past history. Okay, previous days లో వాళ్ళు ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్కి ఏమైనా సఫర్ అయ్యారా అనే దాని గురించి. ఓకే, ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ డిసీజెస్ what medications they are using, regarding that also we are collect complete history by doing the assessment of an individuals. Okay, next in this personal and family history also we are collected. Okay, what is their personal life, they are having any smoking habit or the alcoholism intake habit, or sometimes they are having the what is their family history. Okay, the family having any this communicable diseases or non-communicable diseases, or the family members are having a good communication relationship with them. Okay, what is their relationship and coordination and cooperation of an individuals. Okay, next in this this place of birth. Okay, where they are birth, what is the place. Sometimes the individual or undergone some divorce or the marriage history also we are collect. Why? Because the couple life they are enjoying with beautiful or not. Okay, they are having that divorce or not. Okay, regarding that history also we are collected. Next in review of systems. Okay, in review of systems we are do the examination of systematically. Okay, in systemically any abnormalities will be there, that will be find out by doing the systemic examination of individuals. Okay, in respiratory system, is there any respiratory problems of an old age people? Okay, why? Because they are old age, in previous life they are undergone any this smoking and alcoholism, or sometimes their vacation or industrial work depends, or the sometimes farmers they are prone to get some respiratory infections. Okay, like that in systemical examination, digestive system. Okay, the food digestion of food process will be normal or abnormal. Sometimes some people are suffering with the constipation. Okay, or whatever it may be, in systemic examination like renal system, the urinary excretion is normal or abnormal. Okay, regarding that we are do the systemic examination of an old age persons. Okay, by assessing the sometimes vital organs. Okay, in vital organs function is normal or abnormal. Okay, any tumor formation is there or any abnormalities is there, that will be find out for providing special care to the old age people. Next present illness, present situation at the time of health assessment, what is the problem of an individual. మనము హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్కి ఈ యొక్క పేషెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తోటి సఫర్ అవుతుండు. ఓకే, ప్రజెంట్ ఇల్నెస్ ఏంటి అనే దాని గురించి కలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ చీఫ్ కంప్లైంట్స్, what complaints is given by the patient by own self, that will be we are called as the chief complaints. Is there any vomitings, or is there any cough, or is there any fever, or is there any bleeding disorders, whatever it may be, the complaint should be told by the or given by the individuals at the time of health assessment, that we are called as the chief complaints. Okay, next antenatal assessment. In antenatal assessments some components will be there. Okay, as a community health nurse we should use these components. Okay, what is the first component? That is the taking of medical history. Next one is the physical examination. Next one is the laboratory examination. Next one is the detecting the high risk pregnancy. Okay, these are the components will be there, and monitoring growth and development of individuals of an pregnant women. Antenatal mothers ante antenatal period. Okay, at the time of what is that, stopping of menstruation cycle. Okay, the fertilization will be there. Okay, at the time of after fertilization of the mother is going to conceive, from the conception up to delivery of a mother we are called as the pregnancy period. Okay, from the first months to 9 months of period we are called as the pregnancy period or the antenatal mother. Okay, in antenatal mother, the mother womb having fetus. Okay, from the first month to 9 months the fetal development will be there. Okay, the organs, human organs will be well developed from the first month to 9 months of pregnancy period. Okay, in this we are going to do the mainly assessment regarding menstrual cycle. Okay, what is the menstrual cycle frequency or duration? Okay, regularly menstrual cycle will be there of a woman, or irregular menstrual cycle will be there, or what is the duration, how many days the menstrual cycle will be there for the women, or what is the amount of blood loss in the while during menstrual cycle, that will be assessed clearly. Okay, next obstetrical history. In obstetrical history, the mother having a second pregnancy or third pregnancy means the history related to first and second pregnancy. Okay, first baby history at the time of first pregnancy, what is your health status? Okay, your health is normal, or you are going to suffering with the any PIH, pregnancy induced hypertension, or sometimes convulsions, or whatever it may be, the diseases will be suffered by the at the time of first pregnancy, that will be assessed. Okay, next the personal and family history. Okay, in personal and family history we should collect the especially marriage history. Okay, as a eligible couple you are suffering with the any health problems, or what is the educational status of mother. Okay, what is the occupation of mother, that will be assessed in this one. Next one is the physical examination of a pregnant woman. Okay, by using community health nurse sense organs, we should assess the head to foot examination of pregnant woman. Okay, developmental stage of pregnant woman, their fetal development at the time of first month, second month, third month, or first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. Okay, first month to 3 months of a period we are called as the first trimester. Okay, 3 to 6 months of period we are called as the second trimester. Okay, 6 to 9 months of period we are called as the third trimester. No, okay, like that the pregnancy period will be divided. Okay, in each trimester the pregnant mother suffering with the any health problems, or the fetal development, what? Okay, healthy development or unhealthy growth and development will be there, that will be assessed and find out. Next in this laboratory examination, especially hemoglobin percentage of a pregnant woman. Why? Because many number of people suffering with the low hemoglobin percentage. Why? Because the mother is going to give nutritive values to their fetus, no? Okay, that's why the pregnant woman will be take food which is the richest that iron food materials. Okay, next another one, that is the WBC count or blood sugar test, or sometimes stool test or chest x-ray if necessary. Okay, what is if the pregnant mother suffering with the any health problems means you should go for the laboratory investigations. Okay, if there is no abnormality means leave it. Next, another one, that is the monitoring the growth and development. In this growth and development, especially how we will do means at the time of conception up to this 7 months. Okay, na monthly checkups will be there. Okay, every month the pregnant woman or antenatal mother should be consult with the gynecologist for assessment of this fetal development. Okay, fetal growth అనేది ఆ యొక్క ఎవ్రీ మంత్కి డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుందా లేదా, ఏమైనా డెవలప్మెంటల్ డిజేబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద దిస్ from the 7th month to up to 9 months of age group period of pregnancy. Okay, every 15 days. Okay, after 9 months up to labor pains. Okay, till labor pains the mother is going to consult some that health checkups, especially weekly ones. Okay, na along with this the mother is following the some this. Okay, once a month 30th week. ఓకే, 30 వారాల వరకు నెలకు ఒకసారి ఈ యొక్క మదర్ అనేట ఆమె ఏం చేయాలి, హెల్త్ చెకప్స్ అనేది చేయించుకోవాలి. యాంటీనేటల్ పీరియడ్ ఫీటల్ యొక్క గ్రోత్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉంది అని. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ద 30th month to 30th week to 36th week every 15 days. ఓకే, 30 వారాల నుంచి 36 వారాల యొక్క ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ పీరియడ్లో 15 రోజులకు ఒకసారి ఈ యొక్క హెల్త్ చెకప్స్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఈ యొక్క ఆఫ్టర్ 36th week అప్ టు లేబర్ పెయిన్స్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి. ఓకే, అప్పటి వరకు ఎలా వీక్లీ వన్స్ ఈ యొక్క గైనకాలజిస్ట్ కన్సల్ట్ అయ్యి ఫీటల్ యొక్క గ్రోత్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద డిటెక్టింగ్ ద హై రిస్క్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ. Okay, high risk pregnancy, how we will identify it means in this the pregnancy below 15 years of age group girls. Okay, 15 సంవత్సరాల లోపు ఉన్నటువంటి గర్ల్స్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ అయితే okay, there is a high risk of pregnancy. Okay, the risk should be fetal and mother. Okay, mother ki plus ఈ యొక్క fetus కి హాని ఉంది, harmful to the this pregnancy period. Next, above 30 years of age group. Okay, now above 30 years of age group, below 15 years and above 30 years of pregnant women will be high risk. హై రిస్క్ అంటే స్పెషల్ కేర్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకు అనంటే వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినటువంటి డెవలప్మెంట్, హెల్త్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది లెస్గా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద multi-para pregnant woman. Okay, 2 or more pregnancy women, the mother also high risk for pregnancy period. Okay, next one is the malpresentations. Okay, actually at the time of delivery the fetus presentation is the this bro presentation or the cephalic presentation. Okay, in this sometimes leg presentation or breech presentations will be there, that will be malpresentations, that will be very difficult to going to give birth of the babies. Okay, this is the malpresentations also high risk. Okay, sometimes this more than one baby in the womb. Okay, మదర్ ఓంబులో తల్లి యొక్క గర్భంలో ఒకరికంటే ఎక్కువ ఫీటస్ ఉంటే ఓకే, దట్ మదర్ ఆల్సో హై రిస్క్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎనీ సఫరింగ్ విత్ ద APH, antepartum hemorrhage, means bleeding. Pregnant women suffering with the some type of bleeding. Actually in normal the pregnant women not suffering with the any bleeding disorders. Okay, in this there is some abnormalities due to some disorder. The pregnant woman suffering with the some bleeding disorders means that will be high risk. Okay, in this next one is the earlier stillbirth. Okay, in mother womb the fetus will be death. Okay, that is also high risk for this women's. Next one is the hydromnias. amniotic fluid will be there, no, ummu neeru antaru kada, that amniotic fluid will be excessive means that is also danger, very less means that is also dangerous to the woman. Next one is this diabetes mellitus or the TB patients also high risk for pregnancy period. Next, less than 140 centimeters of height. ఓకే, ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ యొక్క హైట్ అనేది 140 సెంటీమీటర్స్ కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంటే దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఉమెన్స్ ఆల్సో హై రిస్క్. ఓకే, ఇన్ హై రిస్క్ వాట్ మీన్స్ యాజ్ ఏ కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ నర్స్ వీ షుడ్ special concentrate on this type of patients.